viewers to this episode in this series of episodes where we are looking at the 2023 Internal Mathematics Paper 1. If you haven't seen the other episode, please check out on our YouTube channel or our app that you see in the description section. So let us look at question 16. In the diagram, BCE is a right angled triangle in which BC equals 4 cm and CE equals 3 cm. BE is produced to D. Find the value of cos CED. So we're looking for cos CED. So you see this angle. That's the angle that we are looking for. So for us to find that angle, we need to know the interior angle. So once we know the interior angle, then we can use the fact that this angle protruded, this angle and this angle are equal, then this angle is also equal. So the blue ones are equal. So we use the quadrant where we say all students take chemistry. So in the first quadrant, all the three trigonometric ratios are positive. Then in the second quadrant, cosine and tangent are negative. That's why in this kind of question, you want to be asked to find this angle, the exterior angle, for a cosine or a tangent, because the sign is positive. So what it would mean is, if we know this angle, to find the exterior angle, which is this one, we negate what is inside. We negate what is inside from the fact that the straight line is 180 degrees. So it's that principle that we use. So the first thing is, we know that cos CED, that angle, is equal to negative cos angle CEB. So we just need to find angle CEB, which is the interior angle, then we negate it. Once we negate it, we will notice that this angle and this angle are equal. So that's the case. So how can we find angle cos CEB? So we have the adjacent, which is 3. This is adjacent. So because we know the adjacent and we know the opposite, we can find the hypotenuse. Once we find the hypotenuse, then we can use the famous SOHCAHTOA. So we are going to the cosine part. This is the one that we are going to use. So that is to say, cos angle CEB equals adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So how can we find now hypotenuse? We use the famous SOHCAHTOA, where we shall label this to be, so this is a small c, then this is a small b, then this is a small e. So what this tells me is c square is equal to e square plus b square. So what is e? E is a 4. So 4 square plus, what is a b? 3 square. So you square that, what we are going to get is, we are going to get 20. We're going to get 25, which is 16 plus 9. So this is 25. Now this is c square. So we're looking for c. So to find c, we'll find the square root of 25, which gives me 5 centimeter. So now we know that that's 5 centimeter. So to find cos CED, we need to find this. So this one is equal to, what is the adjacent? Adjacent, you said this 3, divide by what's hypotenuse? We found it to be 5. So this, we found it to be like that one. Then to find the angle we are looking for, just negate that one, which will be 3/5. Hence the answer is negative 3/5, which is the 2 marks that you are looking for. So once you do this, you should be able to get those 2 marks. We go to question B. The curved surface area of a coin with radius 4.2 cm is 138.6 cm square. Find its slant height given that pi is equal to 22/7. So what have we been given? We've been given the radius, we've been given the area, which is the surface area, then we've been given the pi. So it's a matter of remembering the formula for the curved surface area. If you can remember the formula, you are good to go. If you can't, it will be a bit tricky. So curved surface area is equal to pi r L. That's what it is. So we know what we are looking for. Let us make L the subject of formula so that it's easier. So we divide by pi r. So this one and this one goes. So L is equal to curved surface area divided by pi r. So let us now go and start now substituting. So area is 138.6. So I have 138.6. Then divide by 22/7. Then times, we have 4.2. So 4.2 centimeter square. So quickly I noticed that 7 into 7 is a 1. 7 into 4.2 is 0.6. So this is 0.6 centimeter. Then quickly I will know that L is equal to, I'm going to have 138.6 centimeter square over. So if I multiply 22 by 0.6, what do I get? So it's 22, then just say 6. So that is 12 carry 1, then 12, then 13 have 13.2 because of this decimal place. So I'm going to end up with 13.2 centimeter. So if I multiply 13.2 by 10, I'm going to get 132. So meaning 13.2 into 138.6, it will go there 10. Remember what? So I can come here and say 138.6 minus 132.0. So it will be 6, then it will be 6.6. What is 6.6? 6.6 is half of 13.2. So this is 10.5 centimeter. So that's how you find the L. So the trick is playing with numbers because you don't have a calculator. So if you notice this question is assessing your ability to deal with big numbers so that you are able to calculate efficiently and use time effectively. So this is how you deal with this question to get the 4 marks. So join me in the next episode as we look at the other questions, and don't forget to subscribe and check on the description section to see our app which is coming up. You'll be able to see a lot of resources and it will be helpful to you.